So first we're gonna put a little bit. There's a lot left. Let's might as well put a lot. Like this much. And then we're gonna pour water, our room temperature water. Put this away. And let's see what happens. Fill it up all the way to the top. See what happens. Wow, this is cool stuff, yo. This feels so awesome. Comment below what do you think. Look how much it is. And you see there is no more water. It's and this paper, and this is where you got lithium metal over here. Alright, we're gonna do different experiment. I got the different battery right here. We're actually just gonna take a small piece and throw it in water. See what happens. Actually boils. Now we're gonna try something different. Try to burn it, small piece. Alright, main thing that you're gonna need is aluminum foil, but not aluminum foil where you cook. It's from the gum, you know what I mean? You get these ones from the gum. So I saved couple from the last experiment. Hope you remember what experiment it was. So what we're gonna do is put the match like that on a edge and just roll it up tightly. Very, very tightly, you know what I mean? As tight as you can. That's what she said, right? Or he. Alright, whatever. Tie it up and then you flip it like that. And fold it, I mean. And you got this kind of match with aluminum foil like that, you see? So then I'm gonna put a plate and put it right here. Let's see how far will it shoot. Remember, fire extinguisher, do not try this at home, very dangerous. I'm gonna use my lighter. Yep, you guys seen it? There's a lot of smoke, that's why you shouldn't do it at home. Anyways, we're gonna get our neodymium magnet and attach it to the negative side of AA battery. Then we're gonna grab our copper wire. Alright, and then put the copper wire over like this in the middle and let it go. Let's see what happens. Look, it's just speeding up, huh? Let's see how fast can it go before it's gonna fall off. Is that awesome? So check it out, it's very easy. Make sure your lid is pretty tight and just start twisting it. Just twist it. Don't worry, it's not gonna explode in your hand. And guess what? We got vacuum in there. But then we're gonna untwist it over here. Check it out. So I got a small piece of a steel wolf, and all we're gonna need is touch it like that. Let's see. And put a cotton ball on top. Sometimes open it like that makes it easier. Alright, check this out. And we got a fire already. You see the cotton balls are on fire. What do you guys think? If you blow it, it's gonna go even faster. Yep, that's pretty much it. Start a fire with the cotton balls, steel wool and a battery, and you see we have a fire. Once you touch it, you see how easy it burns. Tell me in comments how is that happening scientifically. Once I touch it, it's burnt. What does this steel wool have that when you touch it, it gets on fire like this? You know what I mean? Let me know if you think it's useful in a zombie apocalypse situation. I think it would be. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next. The next step is hang these two weights like that on top of the stain. Alright, check it out. I got the stain tied up to this chair, going all the way to this chair, tied up to this chair. And in the middle I got these two stains tied up to this stain, and it's gonna go down, and we got two weights over here. A really cool experiment, like physics experiment. We're gonna back up so we can see everything, and you see these two weights are at the same level, just hanging over there, no movements almost. And I'm gonna grab one of these weights and let it go. Let's see what happens. While this one's spinning, it stops, and this one's starting to spin like that. And guess what happens? Magic or science. Science magic. This one's stopping and this one's starting to spin. Look how fast it's spinning. Light it up and put the cornstarch in your mouth and blow on it. Alright, I'm gonna do it again and turn off the light. Let's see what happens. First I'm gonna light this thing up, the torch. So check out what I did here. I got a wire, any kind of wire, and just wrapped it around of a nail. I'm just gonna do it one more time, like that. And I did it with a bunch of them, exactly 6. And then you're gonna do in this kind of order: nail, copper, nail, copper, nail, copper, nail, copper, nail, copper, and again nail and copper on this side. So at the end you're gonna end it up on this side is nail and on this side is copper. And let's test out our LED lights and see if it's gonna make any energy. Let me turn off the lights. I got here a bunch of different colors of LED, and let's stick it in. If it doesn't work, other side. Here's the blue. You see? It works. Let's try the other one. And all it is just vinegar.